I want to talk about passenger armrests for Indian's trunk-equipped baggers. Now, passenger comfort is a big deal, particularly for those who do a lot of miles riding two up. Now, for a lot of couples, long-distance touring rides are their vacation getaway method of choice. And for those that do, these are going to be really valuable. They're designed for any motorcycle equipped with a trunk. That includes roadmasters, for which a trunk is standard, but it also includes baggers and for people who add a quick-release trunk to that setup. The design is super functional. The armrest portion up here pivots laterally so that the passenger can get them in the best position for them, whether that's closer to their body or a little more away from their body, or even pushing them all the way back towards the trunk when they don't need them. The entire system actually pivots laterally as well, and this makes it easier to get on and off the bike without these things in the way. The armrest pads for these are sold separately. They're also fairly easy to install. For some mechanically inclined, it should be no problem, but for others, you may want to check out your local dealer and have them do it for you. Either way, this is a highly useful product with a heck of a lot of value if you're doing longer touring rides and your passenger wants to feel really comfortable.